Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have a surprise bag LOL play pack. We got this at Dollar Tree and it's $1.25 in Canada and $1 at Dollar Tree in the US. Let's go ahead and rip this open and see everything that we get inside. Oops, sorry, I'm going to have to use the scissors. I didn't tear it evenly. Okay, let's take a look and see what we get inside of our little mini surprise bag. Okay, let's move that out of the way. First thing we have is a little mini coloring book. It's LOL and it's Glitter for Life. Look at the cute little pages. I love LOLs. They're just so cute. That one's already ready for her selfie. Oh my goodness, look at how many of them there are. Oh, I love this. Okay, what else is in there? Let's see. Stickers! Oh my goodness. Oh, I love stickers. That one's Swag's little sister. We have the Swag doll. And ooh, 4 crayons. And that's it. 4 crayons, 1 sticker page, and 24-page coloring book. It's pretty good for $1.25. Let's get started. Oh, I love the stickers. They are so cute. That one's got the camera for the selfie. Oh, I can't wait to put them on the pages. Let's see. Now let's open these crayons. Now, these are not very good crayons, and you don't get a lot of them. But the good news is that they did give us the primary colors. So we have right now in the pack red, green, blue, and yellow. But with the primary colors of red, yellow, and blue, we can make our own colors by blending them. So red and blue make purple, red and blue make green, and red and yellow make orange. So we should be good to color everything. Let's go ahead and pick a page in our Glitter for Life coloring book. And let's get started with the coloring. I like this one. LOL, JK. It's so cute. Okay, what color am I going to use first? Let's go with red. And we'll color in her hair. These are not nice crayons. They're not, I don't know, weird texture. They're not blending. I can't seem to mix them to get any other colors. I tried to do orange on the shirt and it just looks like a mess. Oh my goodness. There's like a waxy buildup on the pages. These are not good at all. Let's go through and find another page in this book and we'll try to color them with Crayola crayons to see, is it the crayon or the page? Coloring with these, I don't know. I think it was the crayons because look how nice these Crayolas colored. And there's still so many pages in this book. I am loving this little surprise bag. Okay, and oh, the stickers. I love stickers. I wonder where we could put them in here. Maybe we'll leave them for next time. All in all, if you're looking for a really good surprise bag that's really cost effective, I would go with this one. It's $1.25. The coloring book and the stickers make it worth it, but not the crayons. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.